really think so, Linus? You seriously think that Woodstock might be a Canada goose? You like hockey, Woodstock? I just have a hard time believing that he could be Canadian. He doesn't have the accent. Perhaps he's a yellow-billed cuckoo. Oh, I see. Maybe it's you who are, in fact, the yellow-billed cuckoo.
More like a mockingbird, I'd say.
A mockingbird? Yes, that could be it. Mockingbirds imitate the songs of other birds.
If Woodstock imitates the songs of other birds, won't he have copyright problems?
What about an eagle? Can you imagine if Woodstock was a sort of baby eagle? I read once about an eagle carrying off a small child. No, not like that. You're supposed to use your claws. I guess I never really did believe those eagle stories.